Hello. So today we have made one more worksheet for kindergarten kids, and it is a little advanced level. If you have seen my previous video, then you will easily recognize that I have made it a little advanced in level. And if you haven't seen, I will share the link in the description box. Please go and watch that video. So Mahi, let's
Yes.
start.
Yeah.
So Mahira will solve these worksheets I have prepared for her. Let's begin. So the first worksheet is of maths, and here I have written before and after numbers, which Mahira will recognize and write it. So Mahira, let's start.
Of course.
First you have to write after numbers. What will come after 5?
6.
Right.
After 8 will come 9.
In the next column we have before numbers. So what will come before 3? Okay, so before and after numbers are done. Now the next is count objects and write number. So Mahi, there are few objects like leaf, circle, flower. You have to count them, and in the next column you have to write how many are these. Okay, start doing. Count the leaves.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Hooray!
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is it?
Count.
Okay. 1, 2. I got it.
Next. How many sun?
I know it.
Count the triangles, Mahi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so here you have to complete the caterpillar. There is a caterpillar and few numbers are written on it, but few numbers are missing. So you have to fill the missing numbers. Okay? Chalo start.
11 के बाद आता है 1, 2.
So Mahira has finished the caterpillar and now she is doing the missing numbers. So the next worksheet is?
Additions.
Okay, so you have to sum these numbers and write the answer in the box. Start.
Okay. 1, 2 plus 3 equals 2 box. How many? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next.
5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9?
Next.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy food. Easy peasy lazy squeezy.
So here she has completed her maths worksheet. Now she will do English worksheet. Okay Mahi, just you have done before and after numbers. Here you have to write before and after alphabets. Okay. So which alphabet will come after B?
I got it. C.
Correct.
C. I know easy peasy. Lizard squeezy.
Next.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 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 Z.
So these were the after alphabets. Now you have to do before. So what will come before S?
Before F. I think it will come R. R. It will come N.
Next.
It will come C. It will come E. It will come S.
Okay, so before and after alphabets are done. So Mahi, the next one is write lowercase. Okay, so one side I have written few alphabets, and before, after the arrow, you have to write the lowercase of that alphabet. Okay, so write lowercase of B.
Okay.
How do we write B in lowercase?
First, we have to make a standing.
Hmm.
Then like this.
Show me. Correct. Now write the lowercase of R.
Easy peasy.
Okay. T.
T. Okay. First a standing. Then like this. Then like this.
Yes, a T with a handle. H.
As I will make quickly on the time.
Last. Okay, so the next activity sheet is sight words. So here I am introducing 4 sight words which Mahi will trace. I have given her to trace also, and then she will write. Okay, Mahi? Let's trace. Which is the first one? UP, up.
Up. So first let's trace nicely.
And wait. Now you have to write also.
Here.
Huh. What is it?
UP up.
The next one is?
M. E. Me.
Correct. You have to write also, Mahi.
Oh. I left it.
Leave a gap and then write. The next one is Mahi.
THE the. Done.
Write also. You have to write also, na? The next one is IS is.
If.
The last worksheet is beginning sound letter. So Mahi, I have written few alphabets on the left side which are A, S, F, H, T, C, and then on the right side there are 2 objects. So you have to circle that object which starts with the particular alphabet. Okay? For example, A के सामने there are 2 objects. What are those objects? Name them.
Arrow.
हाँ. And
Flower.
हाँ. So what starts with A? Arrow or flower?
Arrow.
Correct. So circle the arrow.
It's just fall off my hands.
That's okay.
Circle.
Next is?
F.
Okay. So what are the objects?
Orange and S.
It's mango.
It's mango
And?
F.
No, S nahi. It is sun.
Sun. So it will come sun.
Next is? F.
F. So fish will come.
Yes.
F. H. H for it's very difficult.
It's not difficult. What are the objects? Name them.
House.
And?
Umbrella.
So what is the sound of H? So what will come?
House.
Correct. House. T.
T. T for bat.
And the next object is?
Today.
So what will come?
That.
Next alphabet is?
T.
And what are the objects?
Bat.
And?
Tree.
So what is the sound of T?
Ta.
So which is the object starting from tata?
Tree.
Tree, correct. Next, last?
C. Coco.
Car. Yes, and here she completes her worksheet. So see friends, it took me 10 minutes to prepare this worksheet and Mahira solved it in around 20 minutes. You can easily prepare this kind of worksheets and engage your kids. Also, not only it helps them in learning the basic concepts of what they have been doing so far, but also it develops a habit of sitting at one place. Initially, I would advise to sit with your child and guide them through the worksheet, and later they'll be able to do it on their own with little help. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.